Bururi wa Kenya niunyitanire na thii yothe muthii wa kurora makinya maria matacukitio hari kurua na murimu wa malaria.
So we don't clap. We are very few even if we
clap. Ona thengia ya mihinga iria thii yothe ikoretwo igicemania nayo guoka ni bara ya murimu uyu, bururi wa Kenya uri na undu wa kwirahira amu murimu uyu niucokete thii kuma gicunji kia 8 hari igana nginyanagia gicunji kia 5 hari igana. Kaunti-ini 8 iria iri mwena wa Nyanza na Western, murimu uyu niucokete na thii kuma gicunji kia 27 nginyanagia gicunji kia 19 hari igana, na mwena wa gicua-ini ugicoka na thii kuma gicunji-ini kia 8 nginyanagia gicunji-ini kia 4 hari igana.
The number of confirmed malaria cases has reduced from 113 per 1,000 of the population to 86 per 1,000 of the population. This represents a almost 25% reduction, and again, this is really good news that the efforts of the malaria control program are beginning to bear fruit.
Na niguo gutigirira murimu uyu ni wathii na mbere na kuhotomio, Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri iri na unyitaniri na bururi wa Cuba ni maruguritie mihang'o ya uheyani wa neti mirioni 15.7 kaunti-ini 8 iri koragwo igomirwo ni murimu uyu na njira nene, undu umwe na uhuhiri wa dawa ihumo-ini cia rwagi na micini ya andu, kuria ataramu kuma bururi wa Cuba marikitie gukinya guku bururi-ini mbeu njithi magitanyo guteithiriria mihang'o-ini ino.
From the 30th of April to the 31st of July this year. It is an 8 billion shilling campaign targeting to benefit 25 million Kenyans in these 27 regions.
Bururi wa Kenya ni umwe wa mabururi matatu gitaro-ini kia Afrika gukorwo na njanjo ya murimu wa malaria, guku gukinyaniria na riu ciana 190 ni ciamukirite njanjo ino na iria iguthii na mbere na guthecwo na matina.
This phased introduction of the malaria vaccine in Kenya, as well as the 2 other countries in Africa, has reached a marked milestone, with children now getting their 4th dose of the vaccine. It is expected that the World Health Organization will use results from this pilot for policy recommendations.
Mwaka wa 2019 andu 800 makuire thii yothe kumana na murimu wa malaria, gicunji kia 90 hari igana ria andu 360 maria kuma gitaro-ini kia Afrika. Bururi wa DRC na Nigeria arimo mabururi maria magomeirwo na njira nene ni murimu uyu. Makinya ma gutigirira ni wahotomio magitungana na mihinga ya kigina, na kwa muhiano bururi wa Kenya uri na unyihu wa shiringi bilioni 24 cia guteithiriria bara-ini ya murimu uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Ritoroko ni Wanjiru wa Foro.